So first and foremost thing which you need to do is open any default browser, any kind of browser into your system, then search for Unity download in it, press enter. You are going to get a link, download Unity, click on that, and then you are going to get two options, that is choose your Unity plus download, and the other option would be download Unity Hub. So you have to choose the second one, which is download Unity Hub. Click on that and the Unity Hub would be downloading into your system. After it gets downloaded, you have to install that Unity Hub application, and once the application is installed, open that Unity Hub. At first things won't look same because I have got an editor already installed into my system, but what you have to do is create a valid Unity account and then sign in into it. Then you have to register for a license for to use a Unity editor, and then what you have to do is you are going to get three buttons: project, learn, and installs. So what you have to do is click on that installs. Here you can install as many Unity version as you want, and what you have to do to install a Unity editor into your system is to click on the add button, which is on the top right corner. So click on that add button. Now what you have to do is select any of the latest official releases. Don't go for the latest pre-releases because those are in testing mode. So what you have to do is select any one of the official releases. So let's take out the latest one. So I'm going to select this 2019.3.0 F3. So click next. Then what you have to do is you have to add some modules with it. So first and foremost thing, this Microsoft Visual Studio Community to 2019 is the important one because it is the tool which has got some libraries used for C#. So you have to install that. It is compulsory. Then there are options for the platforms. So you have to click for the Android build support, go for it, and then inside of it you have to select Android SDK and NDK tools plus Open JDK. Once you have checked all those boxes, click on the next and just go on and yeah, agree all the terms and conditions, and then done. So after some time it would get installed into your system. So once the Unity is downloaded into your system, we have to download an editor for C#. So type in Visual Studio download. Click on the download Visual Studio 2019 for Windows and Mac. Now what you have to do is download this community version because it is free, and other are the paid version. So free download. Once the download is completed, open that setup which is into your system. Click yes. It would take some time for the installer to get ready. Okay. So now what you have to do is you won't be having any installed version, right? Because I already have one installed one, so it is showing into my tab. You won't be having any installed version of the Visual Studio. So what you have to do is go into the available tab. You have to install any one of you have to install of course the community version, and then once you have you click on the install button, what you have to do is you have to modify it. So please check what I click on. So now what you have to do is you just have to click on this game development with Unity, game develop with no need to add the C++, no need to add, only click on that game development with Unity. Now what you have to do is install while downloading, and then the Visual Studio will be ready to use.